How to make money with CPA GRIP. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be breaking down step by step how you can start earning money online using CPA GRIP. You may be wondering, what is CPA GRIP? Well, it's a platform that you can go on to find affiliate offers and also cost per action offers. As you can see right here, CPA GRIP has been around since 2013, and they offer over 2,000 different offers that you can choose from to start making money. And the beauty about CPA GRIP is CPA GRIP will monetize your traffic with a global support team available 7 days a week. The other advantage with CPA GRIP is there are multiple options when it comes to receiving payments, as you'll be able to receive your payment via PayPal or direct deposit or wire transfer, and also Payoneer. So doesn't matter wherever you are in the world, you will be able to sign up with CPA GRIP and start making money online. CPA GRIP would become, to me, CPA GRIP is a better version of ClickBank. As you know, ClickBank is very popular and they offer a lot of options, but a lot of their options tend to be spammy or sketchy, and you're not certain if you will be getting paid. But as far as I can see, based on the research that I have done, CPA GRIP seems to be more legit. Now let's dive in. When it comes to CPA GRIP, it is very easy to sign up. You will simply tap on register. That will be an option right where you see welcome right here. And you will enter your email address and some basic information. And that's it. Once you have entered that information, you'll be led to this page right here. And this is the affiliate platform, the background. And from here, you want to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to tap on My Offers. Once you have tapped on My Offers, you'll be led to this page on which you can choose which one of the offers you will want to use to start making money. And as you can see right here, there are numerous options you can choose from. And by the way, the EPC stands for earning per click. So this will give you an average idea of how much other persons are earning by promoting this product. So as you can see, you have mobile installs and pin submit. By this mobile install, that means that once you promote this offer and somebody installs this mobile app, you will be getting $2.09. And here, once someone submits their email address, you will be getting $2.05. It's as simple as that. And they have offers depending on the country your traffic is based from, your audience is based from. So let's say, for example, majority of your audience is from United States. You would select United States right here, and then you would choose one of the products that are available now right here. Another thing you could do to make money with CPA GRIP is by setting up a simple WordPress website and then use their content locker. This is a website, an example of a website that is using content locker. As you can see right here, if I should tap on any one of these articles, I will be led to this page that is asking me to subscribe. So I will be given a snippet that I can read on the article that I had clicked on. And it will ask me, as you can see, I can sign up for the $1 for 4 weeks, $40 per month, or $20 per 3 months. CPA GRIP offers this also. That's their content locker offer. So if I should go on it, you will see, you will tap on monetization tools and you will see the content locker option right here. So you can create a WordPress website and use their content locker if you would like. You can also create one of those movie websites if you would like, and you could use their video lockers also. So for someone to watch, for example, a YouTube video or whatsoever you download and put on your video website, they would have to pay. But I would just simply recommend that you promote one of these offers right here, like get the best game, or you could even try one of the win a free iPhone. You would be surprised how much money you can make by simply promoting. Tap on this link right here to win a free iPhone, and once the person enters their email address, you will be earning $2. And you can do this whether on TikTok or on Facebook or Instagram, any one of your social media platforms. So I would definitely recommend that you give CPA GRIP a try. And if you are thinking that persons wouldn't sign up for Win iPhone, I did a quick Google search of Win iPhone, and you can see the trend right here. There are numerous persons searching online on how they could win an iPhone. For example, I clicked on one of the links, and you can see right here, if I should scroll down, claim from here. And if you tap on this link right here, this page is open up, and this is an example of what I'm talking about. So the person will simply tap on start now, and then by them going through and selecting the type of iPhone they want, once you have reached right here, and you enter your name and email address and tap on claim now, the person that set up this offer right here, the person that put this link right here on this website will be getting $2 by me simply putting in my name and email address and tapping on claim now. It's as simple as that to start making money with CPA GRIP. Hope you found this video helpful and it was able to motivate you to start to try to make money online. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching How to Make Money with CPA GRIP.